Hi, in this video we're going to be continuing to work on our language learning app to replace Duolingo, and we're going to extend it a little bit, just add to it, flesh it out a bit, and then upload it as a challenge tutorial 2. So what you did last time under tutorial 1 was basically to create this. An image on a screen or a button if you couldn't upload the image, a label saying click on the image to hear what I am, and a next button. And under blocks, what we did was when Apple is clicked, so when you click on the image of the apple or the button apple, then it calls the text to speech, it says the word apple, and it changes the label to type out the words apple. Now, all I need to do really for this screen is to add a next button and then go on and create my second screen. So I'm going to go on to, that was my next screen. So that was the little next button. And I just go to the top and it says when next screen 2 is clicked. So when I click on that next button, which takes me to screen 2, what must it do? Well, under control, I wanted to do something there. And I'm looking for opening a next screen. So I go down and it says open another screen, and then it's got the screen name. So I drag that in, and then for the screen name, obviously I called it screen 2. Okay, you can see it there, it's called screen 2. So I just need to go and get the text, go up a bit, drag that text button on, and I can just type the name, screen 2. And that's all I need to do. That's my whole first screen set up. I've got the apple. When I click on it, it says apple, it types out apple, and my next screen will take me to screen 2. So I can go back into Designer and go to screen 2, and I can just set up my next project. I can go in, I can change the alignments if I want to, I can change the background color, maybe have a different color for this one. I can go and add my button for the image, under a label, if you remember what we did last time, and a next button, so a second button taking me onto the third screen, and I drag my text to speech so that when I click on this object, it text to speech. So this is basically just adding that next button. If we go back onto screen 1, all you need to do is upload the screenshot of that to show that you've created it to the next screen. But just tidy up your second screen and make it that workable. And when you've done that, just go and save your project first. And then several ways in which you can share it. First of all, if you go connect here to your emulator, if you've got your emulator set up, and there are instructions on the MIT App Inventor site on how to do that, then you can get it to go to the AI companion so that you can run it in an emulator on your computer. Or you can click on build and you can create the app either with a QR code or as an APK file. APK stands for Android package. So it creates a little file which you can load onto an Android phone, either using the QR code. So you point your Android phone at the QR code, it collects it, and then you upload it onto your phone, and then it runs as a normal Android application. It'll be an app that you can open on your phone if you have an Android. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for iPhone yet. So I have tested this code, and it does work. And you can try it if you have an Android phone, try to get it to work. But for the purposes of this tutorial, all you need to do is upload that code. So for example, if I click on app to go and get the QR code, it starts building it, compiling it. It says please wait, so you need to be a little bit patient. And then it creates the QR code. You can then point your Android phone at it, and it downloads that onto your Android phone, and you can launch that as an Android app. Okay, so it's taking quite a while to compile. Obviously, my pictures are a little bit big. So have fun with this. You can change it slightly. You don't have to do a language app. Maybe you have a little picture book for very young kids. So picture farm animals, for example, and it's just telling them what those animals are. Or when you click on the moo cow, it goes moo, stuff like that. Um, you can change this project around a little bit and have fun with it. Spend a little bit of time on it, just making it look pretty, and also exploring your MIT App Inventor interface. It is very powerful, and you can create apps that actually work. So it's very, very powerful, and it seems to have hit 100%. I just wanted to show that barcode before I finished off. There we go. And you would scan that on, and it says it's valid for 2 hours. So you need to kind of do it immediately and put it on your phone, and it should work on your phone, which is tremendous fun. Okay, so that's it for tutorial 2.